POCO's latest entrant in the high-end smartphone arena, the F7 Ultra, arrives with a bold claim to dethrone established flagships by pairing top-tier hardware with aggressive pricing. Dressed in eye-catching yellow in our hands-on unit, the F7 Ultra immediately signals youthful energy. Its expertly divided back cover, glossy glass on the upper half and matte finish below, underscores POCO's commitment to both style and practicality. Equally distinctive is the circular camera island positioned on the left, encircled by a metal ring that adds a dash of premium heft to the device's overall frame. At just under 8 mm thick, the F7 Ultra's aluminum frame features flat edges that mirror the design language of recent premium smartphones. This choice not only enhances durability but also offers a firm grip in hand. IP68 certification guarantees protection against dust and water immersion between 1.5 and 2.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, granting peace of mind for accidental splashes or brief submersions. The centerpiece of the F7 Ultra is its 6.67-inch OLED display, with a sharp resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and support for 12-bit color depth, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. The panel delivers vivid, lifelike visuals. A 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid scrolling and gaming experiences, while peak brightness ratings of 1800 nits and up to 3200 nits under certain conditions make the screen easily legible even under direct sunlight. Narrow bezels on all sides further amplify immersion. Underneath this stunning display sits an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, a security feature that until recently was reserved for true flagship devices. POCO didn't skimp on imaging hardware. The triangular camera setup features a 50-megapixels Omnivision main sensor, a 32-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a newly added 50-megapixels telephoto module, capable of 2.5 times optical zoom. While absolute image quality may lag slightly behind the top-rated camera phones on the market, this versatile array excels across most lighting scenarios. Daytime shots are crisp and colorful, and low-light performance benefits from effective noise reduction. Video capabilities extend up to 8K at 24 FPS or 4K at 60 FPS, allowing content creators to capture cinematic footage without compromise. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset anchors the F7 Ultra's performance, backed by either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The device delivers blistering responsiveness. Geekbench 6 benchmarks reveal scores of 2,971 for single-core and 8,887 for multi-core performance, while Antutu tests report an impressive 2,580,520 points. Whether you're editing high-resolution photos, playing graphics, intensive games, or juggling multiple productivity apps, the F7 Ultra handles every task with ease. POCO's custom Hyper OS, layered atop Android 15, powers the user experience. The brand promises 4 major Android upgrades and 6 years of security patches, ensuring the device remains current and secure for years to come. AI-driven features, inherited from Xiaomi's flagship lineup, include Google Gemini-powered image generation, AI-assisted text summarization, live transcription, and semantic search. These tools transform everyday tasks, like extracting key points from a document or generating illustrations from text, into seamless experiences. Battery life on the F7 Ultra hinges on its 5,300 mAh silicon carbon cell. While this capacity isn't the largest in its class, the real showstopper is charging speed. With support for up to 120W wired charging, the device can top up from 0 to full in about 30 minutes. Wireless charging isn't neglected either, offering 50W speeds for compatible chargers. A smart charging mode helps extend battery lifespan by dynamically adjusting charging patterns. Based on user habits, connectivity features are equally robust. Dual 5G support covers a wide range of global bands, delivering blistering mobile data speeds. Wi-Fi 7 ensures low-latency connections for gaming and streaming, while Bluetooth 5.4 handles audio and peripheral pairing. NFC functionality supports contactless payments and quick device-to-device transfers. Despite its many strengths, no device is without trade-offs. The aggressive focus on charging speed and display brightness may tax battery longevity over the long term. Likewise, while the camera system is highly capable, it may disappoint those seeking the absolute pinnacle of smartphone photography. Finally, the lack of a dedicated microSD slot limits storage expansion, obliging users to opt for higher capacity models at purchase. In summary, the POCO F7 Ultra stakes its claim as a true flagship killer. It combines a premium design, an exceptional display, versatile cameras, and industry-leading charging speeds with flagship-tier performance, all at a price point that undercuts many competitors. For users who prioritize fast charging, a vivid screen, and top-notch gaming or AI capabilities, the F7 Ultra offers a compelling package. It may not eclipse every feature found in costlier flagships, but it strikes an enviable balance between performance, style, and value.